Okay, we are on the record now in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus William Hollis, file number 21-20246-FH. Today's date set for a sentencing on a violation of probation in this matter. We are proceeding today as a video conference that's being streamed to a YouTube channel. First, let me ask Ms. Underwood to place her appearance on the record.
Rhonda Underwood for Mr. Hollis this morning, Your Honor.
And sir, you are William Hollis, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Mr. Hollis, have you had an opportunity to read and review your updated pre-sentence report?
Yes, sir.
And have you had an opportunity to discuss that report with Ms. Underwood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Hollis, this is a sentencing in a felony case. As a result of that, you do have a right to be present in person here at the courthouse for your sentencing hearing. So I'd only proceed today if you're willing to waive that right and continue the hearing by video conference. Are you willing to do that?
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with Ms. Underwood and the advice that she's given you?
Yes, sir.
Do you wish to explain or challenge the accuracy or the relevancy of any of the information that is in your pre-sentence report?
No, sir.
Before the court passes sentence, Ms. Underwood, is there anything that you'd like to say on behalf of Mr. Hollis?
Your Honor, I would say that I think Mr. Hollis acknowledges the seriousness of the problem he has, Your Honor. And I think he was honest with the probation about that problem and his addiction. I think drug court is an extremely valuable tool that I hope will help Mr. Hollis a lot. And I think he will get value from. I would simply state that if the court does follow the recommendation, I would hope that a bed could be found for Mr. Hollis as soon as possible so he could proceed to treatment and then to the full value of the support of the drug court.
All right. Mr. Hollis, is there anything that you'd like to say on your own behalf before the court passes sentence?
I'd like to say sorry for just all messing up. And I got an addiction problem, and thank you for everything.
All right. Thank you. It will be the sentence of the court then. I do think that the recommendation for drug court is appropriate. I think that Mr. Hollis has an issue with substance abuse, and that is the best way to treat it. So it will be the sentence of the court that you be continued on probation, that you enter into and complete the drug court program, that you serve 6 months in the Lenawee County Jail, and you can be released early at any time to a residential inpatient rehabilitation facility. You do have the ability to request an appeal of your sentence, Mr. Hollis. They should have for you at the jail 3 copies of a notice of right to appellate review and request for appointment of attorney form. When they give you those, you need to sign 1 copy and return that to the court. That indicates that you've received your copies of those forms. If you want to appeal your sentence, you need to fill out the other copies of the form and mail that to the address listed in the form within 42 days. Any questions about that, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Then you can tell the officer that's with you that you are done in court for today.
Your Honor, you should have 43 days
Sorry.
jail credit.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You do have 43 days of jail credit. So we'll give you that toward the sentence.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you then, Mr. Hollis. You can tell the officer that's with you that you are done in court.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Don't have Ms.
Your
Van
Honor.
Dusen.
Ms. Van
Yeah.
Dusen, I believe, is on her way in,
All right.
logging in for Mr. Williams.
Okay, if she's logging in now, then yeah, could you ask him to get to Mr. Williams?
85.
I understand she will be logging in.
Bobby Jones and Bruce.
Just